In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Jotform with Google Drive. This will streamline your workflow and ensure that all your important documents are automatically stored and organized in your Google Drive. Let's dive right in. First, before we set up the integration, make sure you have both a Jotform account and a Google Drive account set up and ready to go. Having these ready will make the process much smoother. Now let's get started by heading over to Jotform. Once you're logged in, choose the form you want to integrate with Google Drive. You're going to look for the Builder page for your form, which is where the magic begins. On this page, navigate to the Settings tab. Under this tab, you should see an option labeled Integrations. Clicking this will take you to a list of various integration options available to you. Our focus for today, of course, is Google Drive. Go ahead and select Google Drive from the list. Continuing with the process, you will be prompted to authorize the integration. Essentially, this is just a way of allowing Jotform and Google Drive to communicate with each other. A window will pop up asking for permission, and this is where you need to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you've signed in, Google will ask you to confirm that you want Jotform to access your drive. This is standard procedure for integrations like these, and rest assured your data will remain secure, so hit allow to grant the necessary permissions. Now, let's set up your folder. Jotform lets you customize where your form submissions will be saved in Google Drive. This is especially helpful if you want to keep everything organized. You can choose a specific folder, or you can let Jotform create a new folder for you. If you go with a new folder, you might want to give it a name that's easy to recognize, such as the name of the form or the purpose of the integration. If you prefer an existing folder, simply select it from your drive. Whichever you choose, make sure you remember the location for easy access later. Once you've set your folder, the only thing left to do is hit the Save button. Saving will confirm all your choices and complete the integration process. And that's it. Every time someone fills out your form, a copy will automatically be sent to the specified folder in your Google Drive. To sum up, integrating Jotform with Google Drive is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your productivity. It ensures that all your valuable data is safely backed up and easily accessible whenever you need it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your workflows and getting the most out of your tools.